hybrid and smart.
Hello friends, my name is Janvi Kadam.
Hello friends, my name is Kishori Mohan Patil.
Hello friends, my name is Saili Tupare. We are 9th standard student. Our school name is Marathi Vidyaniketan Marathi High School in Belgaum. We are presented to you how to check the soil parts which is mixed in soil, and we will present it to you the model of soil testing. Soil is our life giver because we born in soil, we grown up in soil, we eat from soil, and we stand up on also soil. So soil is our friend and it always compares to us. Soil testing is a chemical method of determining the nutrient supplying power of a soil. Soil testing is important for several reasons: to protect the environment from toxic parts and the soil pollution, which is danger for soil. Because of that, the farmer will not get the good profit from the field. In our country, the maximum people are joining in field. So our purpose is to solve the farmer's problem.
Presenting to you how to check the quantity of nitrogen from the soil. First, I will tell you name of objects which is used in this project. Measuring tube, decolorization, nitrogen reagent 1, nitrogen reagent 2, and funnel and filter paper.
Test 2 nitrogen reagent from the soil. First we take 5 cc soil help of measuring tube. Now the soil is transferred to tube. Then we take 25 ml nitrogen reagent with the help of measuring tube. The nitrogen reagent transferred to tub in the soil. They mix well 10 or 15 minutes. The mixture is done by now. We added a pinch of decolorization and we mix up 2 or 3 minutes. Then mix the 2 or 3 minutes. The mixture is ready. With the help of funnel and filter paper, we pour the mixture. Transferred the soil and nitrogen reagent to the tube. Now we get the pure form of soil, which is mixed in soil, nitrogen form of pure. Mixture of pure nitrogen. We added nitrogen reagent to 1 or 2 drops. We will mix in 2 or 3 minutes. The mixture is ready. The mixture is gets a color. Look at here friends, mixture get a color. With the help of our chart, we can say the quantity of nitrogen from the soil. The mixture get low quantity of nitrogen. In the same way, we check the potassium from the soil. Look at here friends, with the help of chart, potassium is the medium from the soil.
In this same method, we can check the quantity of phosphorus in our soil. With the help of this chart shows us medium quantity of phosphorus in our soil.
Our model is complete. In our model, we use the 2 villages soil. Here we take Ujgaon soil, and here we take village of Sonolis soil. We got quantity of nitrogen from Sonoli village low, and we got in Ujgaon village soil phosphorus in medium. We present to you the problem of farmers, and we will try to solve the problem of farmers.
नमस्कार।
हाँ नमस्कार।
आप खेती करते हैं ना, तो आपको खेती करते वक्त कौन कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं?
अच्छा जी, या पहले तो अभी खेती का काम बहुत ये मुश्किल होता है, पिछले साल जैसा पिक नहीं आता है अभी, तो अभी बहुत मुश्किल से जीना पड़ता है हम लोग।
पिछले साल बहुत ज़्यादा उत्पन्न होता था, इस साल नहीं हुआ।
तो आपने मिट्टी का परीक्षण किया है?
क्या फ़ायदा होता है?
उससे हमें पता चलता है कि हमारे मिट्टी में कौन सी कमतरता है, हमारे मिट्टी में जो नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस और पोटेशियम होते हैं ना, उसकी मात्रा क्या है, हमें पता चलता है उससे।